Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It features a red exterior paired with an off-white interior, and it runs on gasoline. The interior is in very good condition overall and only needs a proper cleaning, and both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional. The truck has approximately 55,000 miles on the engine, which includes upgraded valves, rods, and pistons while retaining the stock crank. It also comes with a brand new 700R4 transmission with warranty, along with an upgraded cooling system, including a new water pump, thermostat housing, hoses, radiator, and cap. A new power steering pump has been installed as well. It includes 1.5-inch lowering shackles for the rear to help it sit level, and it is equipped with long tube headers, a Flowmaster exhaust, a new alternator, a new battery, and new headlights and taillights.
It also has a drop-in bed liner, a few-year-old paint job, and previously had a double DIN head unit with a backup camera. Number 2.
1998 Ford F250, price $6,800, shows approximately 195,000 miles and operates with a smooth automatic transmission, paired with a gasoline-powered V8 engine. It sports a clean white exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving it a classic and well-kept appearance for its age. The truck holds a clean title and has recently passed smog, making it fully ready for registration and everyday use without any additional requirements. Built with durability in mind, this F250 comes with heavier-duty suspension, a stronger rear axle, and several reinforced components that enhance its capability for hauling, towing, and long-term reliability. The V8 engine provides solid torque, and with its 4x4 drivetrain, the truck is well-suited for work environments, off-road situations, or regular daily driving. Overall, it rides and drives well, offering stable handling and dependable performance.
Number 3.
1997 Ford F150, price $3,999, showing 145,000 original miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic green exterior with a beige interior, the truck is powered by Ford's durable 4.6L V8 engine, delivering smooth performance for a rear-wheel drive setup. It runs and drives exceptionally well, reflecting the careful ownership it has received over the years. The vehicle holds a clean title and is Carfax with no accident history, further supported by its background as a Florida-owned truck, where vehicles typically benefit from rust-free conditions. Inside, it offers ice-cold AC, a reliable radio system, and full power amenities, including power windows, mirrors, and locks. Exterior convenience features include running boards for easy entry, a bed liner to protect the long bed, and custom wheels that enhance its appearance. It also comes with 2 keys and the original owner's manual, adding to its completeness as a well-kept gasoline-powered F-150.
Number 4.
1989 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. This truck shows 165,000 miles on its 5.7L V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, and finished in a matching burgundy exterior and interior.
It runs on gasoline and has been well-kept mechanically and cosmetically.
And recent maintenance includes a new battery, chrome valve covers, and a new set of 215/70/15 Cooper tires mounted on American Racing Classic Torque thrust wheels. The interior is clean and well-preserved, and the truck also features a bed liner for added utility. According to the owner, the Sierra runs and drives great, with no rust through anywhere on the body, only natural patina and painted rust spots that have been clear-coated with a mild metallic finish to create an intentional old-school rat rod look.
Number 5.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It has approximately 212,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission, a green exterior, a charcoal interior, and runs on gasoline.
It is equipped with the 4.8L V8 and 2-wheel drive. The truck reportedly needs nothing. It is ready to be driven almost anywhere without concern. All rust issues have been professionally repaired, giving the body a clean and solid condition. Inside, the cabin is rated 7 out of 10. With the dashboard showing some peeling, while the floors and seats remain in good shape. It also comes with WeatherTech floor mats for added protection. For entertainment and convenience, it includes a new double DIN Pioneer stereo featuring Android Auto and possibly Apple CarPlay, providing updated tech for a comfortable driving experience. Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck runs and drives very well, maintaining strong road manners despite its age. The truck shows approximately 220,000 miles on the body, while the SBC 350 engine with headers has an estimated 80,000 miles, giving it plenty of remaining life and dependable power. It has also been fitted with new ball joints and several fresh front-end components,
which improve stability and handling and make it feel noticeably tighter on the road. While the truck is mechanically solid and most features function as they should, it does come with a few cosmetic and minor electrical issues. The paint is noticeably faded, the radio is currently missing, and the turn signals recently stopped working. The air conditioning system needs a recharge, and the fuel gauge works only intermittently. Number 7. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,950. It has 259,000 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission, a blue exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Despite its mileage, it still runs exceptionally well and remains all original, both in paint and overall condition. It is powered by the dependable 4.3L V6 engine, making it a reliable option for daily use or work purposes. The truck carries a clean title and offers both cold AC and hot heat, providing comfort in any weather. With its combination of originality, solid mechanical performance, and practical features, it serves perfectly as a classic truck, a work truck, or even a farm truck. Number 8. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,300, shows 154,000 original miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a gas-powered SBC 305 engine, and a distinctive purple exterior paired with its original interior. The truck runs and drives well for its age, and the engine performs reliably, making it a strong candidate for someone looking for a classic pickup to restore or simply use as a dependable daily driver. Its 4x4 system engages and operates properly, adding versatility for different road and weather conditions. Despite its age, the truck remains solid overall, with a strong body and chassis that reflect how well it has been preserved. It does need a few maintenance items, specifically sway bar links and a driver's side window regulator. Number 9. 1973 International 1110, price $7,500, unrestored farm truck finished in orange with a gray interior and equipped with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and still carries its authentic patina in all the right places, giving it the classic barn find look, but unlike most barn finds, this one actually starts, runs, drives, and stops. Although far from perfect, it is difficult to find a cleaner unrestored International in Minnesota. The current owner has kept the truck at one of their other farms and used it as a spare vehicle for many years. It could use a basic tune-up, but as it sits, the truck will start, run, and drive without issue. Number 10. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $6,300, showing 87,000 miles on the odometer, powered by a 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck carries a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, and it runs on gasoline. For its age, it remains in impressive condition, with no rust and no leaks, indicating that it has been cared for over the years. Mechanically, it runs strong and reliably. It has recently received several fresh components, including new tires, new spark plugs, new wires, and a new distributor cap, helping ensure smoother performance. The heater functions properly, and the owner notes that the air conditioning likely only needs a simple recharge to be fully operational again.